so that's what the damn thing's been doing to me. At least I finally got it running. I got a coil pack off the old motor I had in the backyard that I took off here before. So they got lucky there. Got it running again. New plugs. Put new plugs in there as well. And finally got it running again. But then now it's doing this weird stuff. It's running great for about 10-15 minutes. Full speed out here running. And then you saw it. What happened? All of a sudden, out of nowhere, running fine. All of a sudden it starts like sputtering and running real lean or what have you. And you saw what I was doing. I was manipulating the choke to keep it running, which you should have to do because it's already warm. So, and then I'll wait a few minutes, like right now. I'll start it up. It'll run fine again with no choke or nothing right now. Well, maybe not right now. I gotta wait about 5-10 minutes. And it'll start right up and it'll run 10 minutes just fine, like you're mowing out, that's what mowing or whatever. Then all of a sudden it starts buttering and shit. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to take the carburetor apart and clean it out is what I'm guessing. Anyway, whew, been a lot of work. Huh, baby? You freaking out here, huh? In the rain, lightning, huh? You don't like that? Ready for some more CBD oil? Huh? Want some medicine? Yeah. How about you, Pizzy? Huh? You doing okay? Alrighty then. Living the dream, folks. Living the dream. I'm planning on going to work today, and tomorrow, and I'm working on this mower instead because the yard's getting pretty long out there. That's the front yard there. It's getting pretty long. I already mowed here. This part's are mowed already, and then it started acting up, like I said. So this part around here is mowed, but all the rest ain't. Out front I didn't get. I'm not sure if I can see that. All right, here we go.